Excel offers different cell styles to make your spreadsheets look good. You would just click on the cell, click Cell Styles, and you can see some of the pre-made options that are available here. To apply them, you just simply click on that option. If you need to make changes to one of these pre-made options, you simply right-click on the option and choose Modify. At that point, you're going to notice a dialog box pop up with some different options. Currently, this cell style has a border and a fill applied to it. To add more details, I would simply click Format, and then you're going to notice some other available options here. Here's where I could adjust the fill. Perhaps I want my fill to have a certain pattern style, and I can change the pattern color if that is what I want to do. And then in order to see my changed cell style, I would click on Cell Styles, and you'll now see my changed cell style. To create your own cell style, you would click on Cell Styles, New Cell Style, and you'd go to Format and just start applying different options. You can do the number format, you can adjust the alignment, the angle of the text, you can adjust the type of font, the color of the font, the size, borders, fill. If you wanted to add a border, you can change the type here, you can change the color here, you can add top borders, you can add borders on the side. You just click again to remove them. And this will be a preview of what you'll see. And that would be how you created your own cell style.